Welcome back to class, students. And I hope that you sent me your voice message from the last lesson. I want to hear you practice saying these new vocabulary words, your intonation, your pause, your stress, all right? So don't forget, learn and then apply. Learn and apply. The same with this lesson. Lesson number 4 is pronunciation. Syllable stress. And so listen and practice. Notice which syllable has the main stress in these words. So remember, syllable stress is very important. Sometimes if you speak English but you do not stress the correct syllable, you cannot be understood. So it's very important. And so you see the little mark, like the bantak, the little mark, that tells us, we use that mark, it's called a stress mark. We use the stress mark to show us which syllable is stressed. And so let's look at this. Segregation. Discrimination. Population. Invention. All right, that's how we say it. Segregation. Segregation is when you separate people because of their race, like you separate black people and white people. That the noun is called segregation. Discrimination. Discrimination is when you choose to separate. You like the white people more than you like the black people, or you like the black people more than you like the white people, or Asian people. It's when that people do not have the same and equal rights. We discriminate is the verb. Discrimination is the noun. Population. The population is the people, the percichan. Invention. Invention, all of these are nouns. Invent is the verb when you create something new. You invent something. Invention is the thing that you created new. And so mark the stress in these words. I will say these words and you mark where the stress is, all right? Assassination. All of these are nouns, by the way. To assassinate means to kill someone. Usually someone who is important, like a president or a public figure. You assassinate them, and the noun is assassination. Discovery. And so to discover means to find something new. Discovery. Exploration. Exploration. Explore means to go look for something new. To discover means to find it. Exploration. Revolution. Revolution is when you usually involves something new happens, and sometimes it means by violence. And so the Khmer Rouge was a revolution in Cambodia. It changed society in Cambodia, a revolution. But revolution is not just negative. Sometimes revolution is positive. Revolution comes from the verb revolve. And the word revolve means to go around in a circle, around and around and around. Revolve. Revolution means something new is coming around. Demonstration. To demonstrate means to show something. Demonstration is the noun when you show something. But this word is used in history when people bow or barkam, something like that. We call that a demonstration. But also the demonstration means to show something. Demonstration. Expedition. Expedition is when someone, usually a group of people, travel from one place to another place to explore, to look for something new or discover something new. We call that an expedition. Explosion. Explosion is when something explodes. The verb is explode. The noun is explosion. I heard an explosion this morning near my house. Vaccination. Vaccinate is the verb. Vaccination is the noun. It's when you take medicine through a needle. They jab you, usually in your arm, with antibiotics or some sort of a vaccine. So vaccine is the medicine. Vaccinate is the verb. Vaccination is the noun. All right? And so, will you do this for me? Will you practice saying these a few times and then send me your voice message and let me hear you say these to make sure that you have the proper syllable stress. All right? See you in the next lesson.